Factory resetting your Tesla Model X restores it to its original out-of-the-box state. This process erases all personal data, including your Tesla account login, saved preferences, navigation history, paired phones, and any installed third-party apps like Spotify. It's essential for resale, troubleshooting software issues, or addressing privacy concerns. The core operating system is retained, but all customizations are removed. To initiate a factory reset, first ensure your Model X is in park mode and connected to a stable power source. These prerequisites prevent any issues during the reset process. On the touchscreen, locate and tap the Tesla T icon to access the main menu. Navigate through the menu by selecting Controls, then Service, and finally, Factory Reset. You'll be presented with reset options. Choose Reset Personalization to clear accounts only, or Full Reset for a complete system wipe. The system will require confirmation through PIN entry or biometric verification, like fingerprint or facial recognition, to prevent unauthorized resets. Once confirmed, the reset process begins, clearing all data and settings. Watch as the data is systematically erased. Before performing a factory reset on your Tesla Model X, there are several important considerations to keep in mind to ensure you don't lose valuable data or encounter unexpected issues. First, back up any important data you want to save, such as navigation history, custom settings, connected accounts, and preferences. While a full reset is designed to remove these, you can use a USB drive or Tesla's Cloud Sync to preserve them. Experts from automotive sites emphasize this step to prevent permanent data loss, especially for resale purposes. Second, understand that a factory reset is completely irreversible. Once the process erases your data, there's no way to recover it. This design ensures security and privacy, particularly important for ownership transfers where lingering data could pose risks, as noted in consumer reports. Third, if you have active subscriptions such as full self-driving, the reset will prompt you to either retain or cancel them. Tesla's interface guides you through this decision during the process, reflecting the growing trend of subscription-based features in electric vehicles. Make your choice carefully to avoid unintended cancellations. Finally, be absolutely certain you wish to proceed before confirming the reset. The system requires PIN or biometric verification to prevent accidental initiation, aligning with Tesla's enhanced security measures from recent updates. Take a moment to double-check all your preparations. If the reset process gets stuck or fails to complete, try restarting the touchscreen by pressing and holding both scroll wheels on the steering wheel until the screen goes black. If the problem persists, ensure you have a strong cellular connection. As a last resort, schedule a service appointment with Tesla, as more complex issues may require professional assistance. Avoid repeated resets, as overuse can potentially disrupt learned driving behaviors in autopilot. Factory resetting your Tesla Model X is essential for protecting your privacy, especially when selling or transferring ownership. The process completely removes all personal data, accounts, and stored information, ensuring the new owner cannot access your Tesla account, navigation history, connected apps, or any other private details. This comprehensive data removal prevents potential privacy breaches and unauthorized access. Tesla has strengthened their security measures with enhanced encryption protocols and stricter account clearing procedures, directly addressing the growing concerns about electric vehicle data theft reported by cybersecurity experts. The company's response to rising data theft incidents includes advanced security features that make resets a standard protective measure. By clearing all personal information, including connected services and vehicle preferences, you maintain control over your digital footprint even after ownership changes. Finally, always verify that the factory reset has completed successfully before handing over the vehicle. This ensures no residual data remains and provides peace of mind that your privacy is fully protected throughout the ownership transition process. Future trends in Tesla resets are shaping the way vehicle maintenance and updates are handled. One emerging trend is AI-driven diagnostics, where advanced artificial intelligence will analyze vehicle systems to detect and resolve minor issues automatically, potentially eliminating the need for full factory resets in many cases. Over-the-air partial resets are expected to become standard, enabling Tesla to perform targeted software fixes remotely through cellular connections, reducing the need for owners to visit service centers. Regulatory changes may mandate exportable data backups before any reset procedure, ensuring that personal information and vehicle settings can be securely exported and restored, improving data privacy and portability. Finally, future resets could incorporate battery calibration routines and firmware rollback capabilities to counteract performance degradation common in electric vehicles, helping maintain optimal range and efficiency throughout the vehicle's lifespan.